Okay, so we're going to start now. So, we are working on a project called Logged In. Just like check-in, you are going to log in a presentation. So, we are redefining the presentation experience with Logged In. So, here is a simple instruction of how to control the mobile device at your hand. And you can move backward, but you cannot move forward. And you can jump to the current slide if you have problems with where you are, and you can just lie down the screen, and there is a chat room and integrated with some social media tools so that you can just interact with other users. So, okay, what is the problem we encountered and we want to solve? So I have an experience in Startup Saturday, which I sit at the back, and I cannot even see the screen. And another experience is when I'm in Barcamp, there are four to five events happening at the same time, and then I just cannot split out myself into pieces and go to different rooms to enjoy all the shows. So in our solutions, we are going to solve these problems.
So, as you may have seen, when the presenter is changing the slide, every device connected to the link is also changing the slide. So what's interesting is that actually everyone in the room is connected to what we have on the board. You can go backward, but you won't be able to go forward. What is also extremely important for us is to make something simple. No headaches, no crazy things, no application. It is simple. The presenter only has to upload the file, set some settings about privacy, because we know that for our targeted customers it's really important, and also social integration. For example, those who have scanned the QR code, you can go a bit down on the screen, and you can see that we have been able to integrate several social medias. So actually you could chat while we are presenting. Please don't be so rude. And you can also tweet and post some comment on Facebook. So actually you can try right now. Our developers have been able to program it, and it is currently live. Our differentiation, because we have been able to understand that we have some strong competition coming from SlideShare, coming from Google Documents presentation, and we really tried to think about how we could create something clear, something to differentiate ourselves, and we decided to make a smooth and simple process. So actually for you it has been pretty easy. You just had to scan the QR code and you were on board. We also want to develop an offline solution. Let's say that the Wi-Fi in this room could not actually work. We will provide a small router, also very simple and designed only for that single use. It's very important for us because we think that you might have encountered in some big conference or big convention that with 400 users, for example, the Wi-Fi was down after 2 seconds. So we want to develop an offline tool that can prevent from that issue. Our business model is depending on the freemium pricing. For individuals and basic functions, it is really, it's free. And if you are a corporation, an education and organization, and you want some more interesting features like getting analytics data afterwards, if you want to download the presentation, if you want to allow the users to download the presentation, and many other features, that's part of the premium pricing. Thank you very much for your attention. I would like again to thank our developer who made a great job because they worked really hard on making that presentation possible. Thank you very much.